Misfire. It was a misfire.
Misfire. Was it a misfire? Redcoats interfering, popping up and then disappearing, preaching their rules from the so-called kingdom? More like a corrupt lie. 9 o'clock in the evening, men from the 29th Regiment came through towns giving out beatings. Pathetic. Most of whom were without so much as a stick in their hand to defend themselves.
Misfire. It was a misfire.
Misfire. Was it a misfire?
Corruption and lies within the colonies led to their demise. Here is where Captain Preston dies. Innocent is what I claim, but it's me they'll give the blame. There's a lust for execution in their eyes. Thousands gather and ride to tear us apart. I never gave an order to fire.
Liar!
I swear, taunted by their cowardice from Marxists that hide in the dark. Misfire. It was a misfire.
Misfire. Was it a misfire? The soldiers stormed in ready to terrorize.
We came to the response to the local man's cries.
Musket in hand, they threatened the town.
We had no agenda except to protect our crown.
They were the aggressors. They aimed for our heads.
Oh, please, my men would rather be home asleep in their beds. Misfire. It was a misfire.
Misfire. Was it a misfire? They got in line with their eyes down their sights, provoking the people hoping to fight. Fingers on their triggers, holding themselves to a goddess figure. Slaves to the king reign and acting without shame.
Without shame? We know a good ruler when we see one.
Yeah, right.
Better to worship royalty rather than just anyone. The crown is our one and only ruler, and if you don't believe, could you be any fooler? It was a misfire.
Was it a misfire? The captain yelled fire!
I yelled, don't fire!
Don't listen to him, he's just a cutthroat liar!
It was a misfire! A misfire!
Was it a misfire or was it a massacre?